Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Guys Guff Outdoors. Today we're going to go to a little small town lake, take my nephew fishing, see if he can't catch a few catfish or perch or whatever. Here's Michael. But yeah, we're going to head out to the lake for a little bit before we head back home to Crockett. Let him have a little fun out there before we leave. Stay tuned for more. That's there, yeah.
Hey, he's driving.
You're gonna turn that way. Keep turning.
No, I'm going this way.
Okay, look at.
What are you doing?
We gotta get over here by this bank and see what we find. We see find any fish. We gotta find some fish for you. Right there. Wave at him. Hi.
Huh?
Wait, we're at the camera. Hi. Doing good, Bubba. Ready?
Where are we going?
Huh?
Where are we going?
Where you driving?
Where are we going?
Where you want to go? That way down
Hey,
there?
tell Papa he wants to go. You want to go faster?
You want to go faster? Huh? It's okay. We
Say,
got
Papa,
no-
I'm going faster.
Yes. No, you can't do that one. Just do this.
Keep going, Bubba. Keep going. Keep reeling. Reel. Keep reeling. Keep reeling, huh? Keep reeling.
You caught a catfish.
Look at that, Bubba. You want that, Bubba?
Listen, you want to hear him talk? Listen.
Try to take your worm.
But where is that one?
Right there. You know that kind of fish that is?
Yeah.
What kind of fish?
Oh no.
Catfish.
See his whiskers? Look at his whiskers.
Listen. You talking?
That's the biggest fish.
Caught him with Spider-Man, too.
Oh, that's close. Put it back in the water. Put it back in there. Put it back in there.
We got to get the hook out first, okay?
I want to get the other one. See,
He hit a hard
that's a
dude.
big one.
I was just taking the hand in the rod like this.
You like that big fish?
Yeah.
I want you to catch the big fish.
Look at there, Hudson.
Look at that. You want to hold him?
No.
Hudson, get over here. We're going to take a picture.
Right here. I'll hold him for you.
You get right here.
Here, get down there.
That's a Purdy Channel cat. Smile.
Alright.
Look, Phil, look at that. She don't have no scales. Look at that. He's smooth. You pretty?
Do you like him?
Look at them whiskers.
Oh, why is he
Look at
over?
them
Don't
whiskers.
grab his teeth.
Look at them whiskers. Look. Ooh. Like Denver. He got a beard like Denver.
He has a beard like you.
Oh.
Whoa.
Look at them teeth. See those little teeth? See right there? Those are little teeth.
But why is he
See?
why is his big tongue?
His tongue? Right there. See his little tongue?
You touch.
Okay, you put him back.
Yeah.
Watch where you going over there. He got his way.
He's way out there.
Go back like this. Look, go back and slow it.
It's okay.
Here, let me see it. Ready? You ready to catch it? Get ready.
Ready?
Get ready.
Put your hand on it. You grab it. You gotta grab it.
Hey, look.
You fish?
No.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
All right,
Real.
Real.
Real fast. Real, Hudson. Real. Keep reeling. Here, grab the rock. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Keep reeling, Hudson. Go. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Come on. Go. Keep going. Yep. Keep going. Real fast.
You gonna get
real.
to the tree.
Real fast, Hudson.
You probably already got him in the tree.
But the fish is coming.
All right, I got it. Come on. Keep going. Keep going.
Come on, Hudson.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going faster. He's heavy, isn't he? Keep going. There he is. I see him. Keep going. He's in the water. He's coming up.
Come on.
Keep going. Keep reeling. That's real. Keep reeling. Almost got him. Oh, there's another one. Look at that.
That's another catfish.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Look. Another catfish. Look at whiskers.
That's one which we got. We got other. Oh, we got other catfish. I didn't want to get the other catfish. Okay.
That's just those trunk going to back down.
He has an algae on you.
Look at that catfish. Look at him with the beard. Whiskers.
He has an algae on him.
Yeah. That's where the hook got him. You want it, Michael?
No, it's okay. Not right now.
If he talks too.
You want to throw him back? You want to touch him?
No.
You want to touch his whisker?
No.
Oh, there it is.
Hudson, how many is that?
2.
2.
I got one too.
How many have we caught?
This one yet.
We ain't got none yet. You winning. Look, Hudson, I caught one.
For me?
Yeah, for you. You want it?
No, I don't want it.
You don't want to hold it.
I don't want to get all wet.
Look. The little crappie. Waiting. Say bye.
You got one? You got one? Huh?
Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. We can't do that. Just go to the steering wheel. Turn that way. Turn it. Turn it. Turn some more. Keep turning. Keep turning. There you go.
Hey, you drove that boat. Hey, you drove that boat really good.
This line right here is the boat.
That
I
one.
knew that. I just didn't know how far out.
You a professional?
Right, it goes.
You-
Yeah, I'm not.
If you go in
You're not a
more-
professional boat driver?
More detail, right?
I am in the truck.
Oh, you're a professional driver in the truck.
See, like I say, I'm close or whatever.
Well, you felt like a professional driver driving that boat.
The fuck, look at that dog.
Very cool.
We got it. Here, turn the key off. Right.
Hudson, did you have fun?
Hey, how many fish did you end up catching?
2.
What kind were they?
Well, how we get
Hey.
down?
Hey, what kind of fish were they? They were catfish.
Hudson, sit down, bud.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. It was a real short one. Hudson enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more to come on Guys Go Outdoors.